Good morning, students. Today our class is social science and we will solve incomplete workbook unit 4 page number 27, how the traders became rulers. Question number 6, explain the definition of following words. Subsidiary alliance. To make British rule supreme power in India, Governor General Wellesley enforced a plan which is known as subsidiary alliance. Number 2, annexation policy. Annexation policy means to bring an end of the rule of native states and keep his state under the British rule directly. This policy was accepted by Governor General Dalhousie. Question number 7. Answer the following questions briefly. Before reading this question answer, I would like to suggest you to listen this what I am reading. Question number 1. Why were the Britishers not successful in establishing their rule in Punjab during the time of Maharaja Ranjit Singh? Maharaja Ranjit Singh was a powerful ruler in Punjab. He set up a strong army with the help of European officers for the protection of his state. He had attended victorious over many nearby states. Thus, the Britishers were not successful in establishing their rule in Punjab during the time of Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Go to next page. Question number 2. What reforms were made by Dalhousie in India? Governor General Dalhousie reformed railways, telegraph and postal system. The first railway line was started from Mumbai to Thane in the year of 1853 CE. He introduced modern post and telegram between India and England. He passed laws to ban child marriage and advocated widow remarriage. English education spread in India and first 3 universities were established in Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata in the year of 1857 CE. Now question number 8. Answer the following questions. Discuss about the specialties of subsidiary alliance. Very important question answers. Lord Wellesley made a plan known as subsidiary alliance to stop the French from becoming powerful in India. As per scheme, any princely state that accepted the alliance had to keep and maintain the British army as well as keep a representative in the royal court. In this way, the British could maintain their army without spending any money, but the princely states were not allowed to utilize the army at their own use. This system felt many states enslaved and threatened. Subsidiary alliance acted like a slow poison for the princely state of India. Question number 2. Discuss about the specialties of annexation policies. Annexation policy means to bring an end of the rule of native states and keep his state under the British rule directly. Lord Dalhousie accepted this policy and it was enforced in 3 ways. 1. In the name of administration of the states. Number 2, if the king died without an heir. Number 3, the British owned many states by winning the battle and annexed states under British rule. Now you go to page number 29, activities. First question is very important. Write 5-6 sentences about the Britishers who came in India. Britishers came to India as a trader. They were very clever and shrewd politicians. They trapped the native rulers in different ways and slowly grabbed the power of administration and ruled over India. This is a small answer and very important. I hope you will write. And one thing, activities 2. On an outline map of India, locate Awadh, Satara, Punjab, Nagpur and Jhansi, which were annexed by Dalhousie with the help of Nabdi School Atlas. You will feel it where it is situated in this outline map of India. Okay, see you in next class. Thank you.